lot of the time, your beloved jacket, shirt, favorite jeans or sweatshirt is pulled off or eaten by rats. It's heartbreaking to realize you won't be able to wear it anymore, but you can now simply mend it using iron-on patches. You may have already heard about iron-on patches. The procedure is basic and straightforward. All you'll need is a ripped-off jacket, an iron, protective sheet of cotton fabric or paper, and the patch. Let's get started. As you can see, this jacket has a hole in it. We'll repair this jacket with a very little effort. Take a jacket and lay it flat on a hard surface or ironing table. Remove any creases that may exist. Clean the affected area and apply some fabric glue. As you can see on the back of this patch, there is a shiny surface. This is the special glue that sticks to the fabric upon heating. Now take an iron-on patch and place it on the affected area. A cute little patch, isn't it? Well, you don't have to use this patch. You can send us any artwork of your choice, and we will get that artwork converted into an iron-on patch for you. A custom patch. Now, place a piece of cotton fabric or sheet of paper on the patch and surrounding area, so that patch in your jacket is safe. If the iron is too hot, it may damage the fabric or patch. Make sure the patch is in correct orientation, because you have only one chance to stick it correctly. Now place the hot iron on the patch area, and press it firmly. Keep it there for a few seconds, 15 to 20 seconds will be enough. Wait for about 10 seconds and you are done. Your jacket is now as new as before, with a custom touch. Get your custom patch. Contact us today. Here at Cre8iveSkill, we digitize your dreams.